Hey everybody, it's Cypris. Welcome back to the wild, and this is our first ever installment of Love This House. This is my new project. I'll show you here. It's a 1972, 1,300 square foot traditional 70s ranch, and as you can see, it's going to need a lot of love, a little bit of work, including mowing the lawn. As I trip. Saved it. It's got really good bones. It's cute. You can look past the mold and the scrapey paint. And so, there we go. Okay, so this is not going to be your typical home remodeling program. We are gonna, of course, do everything right, fix it up, turn this sow's ear into an absolute silk purse. Just you wait. My plan is to take it over the next 4 years and, you know, do it up. But here's the thing. When you work on a house, you open up a space to work on the same parts of you internally. And I have found that when I am working on a house, I'm also working on me. So, say we're doing foundation work. Well, guess what? Suddenly, you start realizing all these things about the very foundations of who we are. It's the craziest thing. And you work on re-roofing, and suddenly enlightenment strikes. So I'm really looking forward to this project because it needs a lot of different things. It needs structural work, which means we're going to be taking a look at my internal structure. It needs eventually a new roof, not yet. And the whole interior is in serious need of an update and a makeover and a fixing up. There are holes in the walls, just neglect. And I don't think it was from a lack of love. I think it was a combination of not having the money and not having the know-how. Because some of the patches in this house, I'll tell you what, duct tape is not for plumbing. We'll just throw that one out there. Especially Superman duct tape. That's not actually rated for waterproof piping. Just FYI. What else? Lots of little things. So I hope you'll join me on this adventure because we're going to have a lot of fun, and it'll be really great to see this house come back and be something that people want, a place people want to be, right? Right now, you know, it's not so bad, but you get looking close and it's a little ratty. So by the time I'm done with it, everybody's gonna want to see what's on the inside. In here, okay. So perfect shot with the vent pipe for, it's either a flagpole or it's a vent pipe for something. Not sure yet, but we'll find out. So it doesn't look like much right now, but over the next 4 years I'm going to work on it and fix it up. The first big thing is there's some structural issues with the floor joists. Dry rot all over, all through there. So I'm going to have to pull up every single floor joist and replace them, and the subfloor and all of that. That is going to be crazy. But we'll just go one room at a time. And then, of course, the whole thing needs to be made over. There's a lot of... there are some ergonomic issues that need to be taken care of. I'll show you some pictures of the inside. The laundry room is not functional as is, and the main bathroom could really be a lot nicer. stuff like that. Some of the utilities could use an update. Gonna have to put a French drain in before I start any of that. But the location is amazing because here we are in, can you see this? This is our location, right? That's the front yard. There's more in the back. We're in the hills here. So here we are in the Hocking Hills, and how cool is that? So the reason that the Hocking Hills are so cool is because this is where I want to live, and also fantastic area for anybody who likes to hike, likes caves, waterfalls. There's lots and lots of that stuff around here. Okay folks, so this is the house, and if you want to watch me fix it up and work on myself, and in 4 years maybe both the house and I will be worth something, maybe not, but we'll try. So if you don't want to miss anything, subscribe and catch every episode. Love this house. In the meantime, keep it real and keep it wild. Thanks for watching, everyone.